In this video, I want to show you how to link your Excel sheet with Microsoft PowerPoint such that the two can be synchronized and automated. What I mean is that if you edit anything in Excel, it will be automatically edited in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. For example, this is an Excel sheet where I have data. So this data, if I want to link it with PowerPoint, let me show you how to do it. To make it easier for you to see, let me restore this down and open PowerPoint. Let me restore it to this side as well. So you can see my Excel sheet and you can see PowerPoint I've opened. So for example, if I come to this Excel and copy this data, right click and copy. Then come to this PowerPoint and come to this option called paste. Click on it and you will see paste special. Click on it. When you click on it, it will bring these paste special options. Make sure you select paste link. Click on it to select it. Then here, select Microsoft Excel worksheet object and click on OK. You can see it has pasted this information here. So let me expand it for you to see it clearly. So this information here is the same thing as the one I copied from Excel. Now, what I want to show you is that as you have copied it from the Excel to Microsoft PowerPoint using the method I use, if I edit anything here, it will be automatically be updated here. For example, this location called GRA, you can see the pH level 6.62. If I edit it, for example, to 10, let me say 10. Once I edit it, you can see that it has automatically updated here. Similarly, for example, this Samaru market here in Excel, if I should change it to just markets and click on enter, you can see that as I change it here, it automatically updated itself here. So if I should delete anything from here, for example, if I click on delete, it has been deleted here as well. So you can see that the two has been synchronized such that whatever I do here is updated here as well. So this is how to link your Excel sheet with PowerPoint such that the two can be synchronized and whatever you do in one will be updated in the PowerPoint. If you have learned something new, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.